You know how much I love to figure out the analytics of this farm operation. This is my cousin Monson. He's 13 years old and has been driving this grain cart for 5 years now. This grain cart behind us holds 1,000 bushels of wheat. It takes about 20 minutes to fill up, right?
Yeah.
Give or take. So we figured out that 1,000 bushels of wheat can yield 90,000 loaves of bread every 20 minutes. That blows my mind. These guys average about 15 hours a day. If Monson takes 3 loads an hour, since each load takes him about 20 minutes, he's making 45 loads, which means in a day's work, his grain cart can provide, ready to tell him? 4,050,000 loaves of bread. So the next time you sink your teeth into a delicious piece of bread, I just want you to think twice about who is providing that for you.